If there's any match Ghana ever needed to win, it be this game against Comoros. And funny enough, it's not for the reason you people think. Because we all, we know say Ghana they can't face Comoros. And winning that game, they mean say we they can't travel go the USA then Canada next year. Forget about Mexico.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
But even more important than that, this match against Comoros, it be match of revenge. Take off, see, this whole World Cup qualifying, it be one match per week Ghana lose. And who do you think that game was against? It was against Comoros. Nah, can you imagine? Me say we already for hit up the camp. But apart from that, actually they blame Comoros for the start of the Black Stars on a downfall last year. Why they talk so? Make I tell you, the 2022 AFCON, Comoros actually scored we come out from the group stage. This was a big deal at the time. It be right now where the AFCON, we know they go some safe. But back then, then we always they reach semi-final stage at least. And honestly, since Comoros scored we for that AFCON, seriously, the Black Stars have never been the same. So Charlie, this game, revenge for day one, I stop pass.
Ghana are flying again. 5 wins from their last 6 matches, back-to-back clean sheets, and a home crowd that turns every game into a festival. The Black Stars have that balance now. Rock-solid defense and sharp attacking transitions. Kudus, Williams, and Jordan Ayew are in sync, and when they start pressing high, smaller teams simply can't breathe. Comoros? Brave, but completely outmatched here. Away from home, they lose control early. 7 defeats in their last 10 on the road. They rely on counterattacks, but Ghana's full-backs push up too fast and too smart to let them out. The gap in physicality, pace, and confidence is just enormous. Remember their last meeting in Ghana? 3-1. And that was a weaker version of this squad. Expect Ghana to set the tone right away. Early pressure, quick wings, a goal before halftime, and full dominance after the break. In Accra, the Black Stars don't just win, they crush. Ghana minus 1.5 at 2.05. This isn't about whether they'll win, it's by how much.
Ghanaians celebrate victory even before the game starts. Guys, I was in shock seeing the crowd. More Black Stars. You guys are loved by many. Guys, let's get right into the video, and please at the end of it kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. But before the video, I would love to know, do you think Ghanaians will qualify for the World Cup? Well, you and I know that they are already qualified. I'm just pulling your legs though. I'm just trying to make some Nigerians cry tonight, but then let's get right into the video.
In Accra, this one should be one-way traffic. Ghana are flying again. 5 wins from their last 6 matches, back-to-back clean sheets, and a home crowd that turns every game into a festival. The Black Stars have that balance now. Rock-solid defense and sharp attacking transitions. Kudus, Williams, and Jordan Ayew are in sync, and when they start pressing high, smaller teams simply can't breathe. Comoros? Brave, but completely outmatched here. Away from home, they lose control early. 7 defeats in their last 10 on the road. They rely on counterattacks, but Ghana's full-backs push up too fast and too smart to let them out. The gap in physicality, pace, and confidence is just enormous. Remember their last meeting in Ghana? 3-1. And that was a weaker version of this squad. Expect Ghana to set the tone right away. Early pressure, quick wings, a goal before halftime, and full dominance after the break. In Accra, the Black Stars don't just win, they crush. Ghana minus 1.5 at 2.05. This isn't about whether they'll win, it's by how much.
This is the electrifying mood at the Accra Sports Stadium. 2 clear hours to Ghana's game against Comoros. Should Ghana win or draw, we are through to the World Cup. The euphoria at the park is something many have not seen in years.
This is the place. qualifiers. We know about the emphatic victory over the Central African Republic in their last World Cup qualifiers, the 2026 World Cup qualifiers. We are here at the Transport Stadium currently, and in just about 6 hours the match is started. But you can see a build-up of the number of people over here. I'll be speaking to some of them very soon to gauge their reactions. We have a plan that they have started buying something.
It is a goal!
What's your prediction for the match?
Oh, 4-0. Today, my prediction is 4-0. We are winning them.
Comoros 0, and your commentator man with a Kantoto Secretariat has brought to you by live commentary at Accra Sports Stadium. My goodness, Jordan 2, Kudus 2.
So that's just about some of the people who are here, and we've been predicting what will be happening in the match at 7 p.m. But you are here today right now. You are about to enter the stadium for the Black Star match. What's your prediction for the match today?
Ghana 4.
You also predicted for who do you think will be scoring today?
As my colleague said, Jordan 2, Kudus 2.
I see. What of you?
Yeah, the same thing. The Kudus will score. Yeah, and Semenyo
also to score. Yeah. That's interesting. But the coach has been speaking. The coach spoke yesterday. He says that he will ensure that the players are not complacent. Do you think there's a chance for the players to be complacent, given that the last match he played, they scored 5-0, and they do be thinking, okay, we scored 5-0, so we don't want to win too much today?
No, this is the last match, and it's a must for us. So by all means, we will score them by 4 goals to 0.
Interesting. You are a supporter, a Black Star supporter, the Black Star Supporters Union. What are you going to do as a union? You are here, you're entering it. Are you sure your Jama is going to lift up the spirits of the Black Stars?
Yes, for sure. So
let me speak to more of the people. Boss, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Supporters Union, my boss is here.
Yeah.
You are coming to do the Jama. What's your prediction for the match today?
6-0. We are going to score them 6-0.
6-0?
Yeah, that's my prediction.
Who do you predict is going to score today?
The day you will score. Jordan, you will score. Jordan, you will score, and which Kudus. And they will score. I think the people will score. We will score them.
It's just about 1:32. More of the supporters union are still entering the stadium, getting ready for the Black Star match against Comoros. I can count about 80 to 100 people over here currently, getting ready to enter the stadium. But good afternoon, welcome to Joy News. You are here to support the Black Stars. What's your prediction for today's game?
Today is 3-1.
3-1? Yeah. Why do you give the chance for Comoros to score?
Yeah, that's how I see it. Because the first time they beat us. So I hope today we are going to score them 3-1.
Comoros has beaten us, I think, twice or three
times
so far. Do you think there's a chance that they'll be winning us today?
Nah, today they are not going to win us. We are going to win them.
Why are you so confident about that?
Oh, I've seen that right now our team is good. I've seen changes in our team, so I think today we are going to take our win.
So if you can still hear me, we are still here. There are a number of people getting ready to enter the stadium. Yeah, welcome to Joy News. What's your prediction for today's match?
Oh, today we are going to humiliate Comoros.
What's your scoreline for today?
Scoreline is 4-0. 4-0.
Who are you predicting to win?
Ghana. Ghana is going to win and win massive.
Which are the players are you predicting to score?
Definitely Kudus will score. And Ayu also score. Yes. As well as Semenyo. Yeah, they are all going to.
But it's just interesting because Comoros has scored us before. They scored us, I think, twice.
But today we are going to win.
Why are you so confident about it?
Look at the support.
The support is massive.
Yes.
Massive. About 80 to 100 people. How many are you so far over here?
We are like 30,000. We can't even count. You can't even count
and
us.
All of you are here to support the Black Stars.
We are moving.
What's your prediction for today?
I said if Ghana lose, Ghana win like 5 goals to 0. That means we didn't win. We are winning almost 10 goals today. Comoros, we win them. We win them.
We are winners. What they did to us during the African qualifiers, we want to take revenge. We scored like 5-0.
From here we are going to America. Straight.
We are ready.
From here we are going to America.
America, here we come.
We have
USA, here we come. USA, here we come. USA, here we come.
You say you are going to win massively.
Massively.
Can you give me some Jama? Can you give me some Jama for?
Oh, Mama no de. Mama no de. If you want to kill me, Kadai. I will never follow you to cemetery. Ghana no de. Baba no de. Ghana no de. If you want to kill me, Kadai. I will never follow you to tell you. Oh, I look at it. God bless our homeland, Ghana. God bless our homeland, Ghana.
are winning marvelously. Massive one, more goals. We mean Comoros. Ghana mean Comoros. Black Stars mean Comoros. We are winning today.
America, here we come. Black Stars, here we come.
This is a snippet of what's to happen to given the match between the Black Stars of Ghana and Comoros.
Ghana de Shemai, Yawo Coco or Maimo, Yawo Damo or Maimo, Yawo Tima or Maimo, Yawo Blasters or Maimo.
Let me just remind that the Black Stars are aiming to secure a spot at the global showpiece for the 5th time, having qualified for the World Cup qualifiers in 2006 in Germany, in 2010 in South Africa, in 2014 in Brazil, and in 2020 in Qatar qualifying the Qatar World Cup also. Ghana supporters union here are here massively about 6 hours to the match. They are here giving their support. This is just snipers of the drama and excitement here at the stadium.
Otu amorae, mami obilada inka chela papa, obilada inka chela papa, obilada inka chela papa, chela papa, chela papa, awulaya chwa
The Black Star coach Otuado has also been speaking. He spoke yesterday and he says that the players are not going to be complacent, given their emphatic victory over Central African Republic, a 5-0 victory over the Central Republic. He also speaks that the Black Stars are going to ensure that they qualify for the World Cup for 2026.
I said, I'm still on my point. If Ghana won with 5 goals, that means we lost the match. We are winning more than 5 goals today. Because I've been watching Jordan Ayew is not smiling at the camp. That means Jordan Ayew mean Comoros. Jordan Ayew is not smiling in the camp. That means Jordan Ayew mean Comoros, and we are winning massively. We are not winning around. If you get 5 goals, it's not good for us.
Interesting. Comoros has scored us about twice so far in the qualifiers. Comoros, they've scored us about twice in the qualifiers. Qualifiers.
That's why.
What's going to change for us?
That's why I'm saying. Jordan Ayew is not smiling in the camp. That means Jordan Ayew mean Comoros. Today, they will suffer.
It's interesting. We are still here at Sports Stadium. Good afternoon. Welcome to Joy News. We are about 6 hours more to the Black Star match. About 6 hours more. Who said what's the start with Newman? I don't know what's the start with Newman.
Hey, and then we Vim Sagana, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Vim.
Yeah, Sean was saying.
6. Hey.
It's one out celebration.
Kudus
special.
Kudus. Did I you and Jordan Ayew. Obesha 2. Yes. 2.
Yeah, bomb pie some beshare.
Amen.
And then what's the start with him?
Because many are break.
Papa.
Hey, bra.
I'ma say sometime.
I mean so much buy.
And then the best.
And then assistant crave your offer. Assistant crave your offer. Assistant. If you need about 3 nights, assistant.
I came along with my mattress, my everything is here.
The lady was telling us that they are going to score by 6 goals, and that Kudus is going to score also. Just interesting because there are lots of people over here who are preparing to enter the stadium, giving the.
If the goals are not coming, we are getting on the field. If the goals are not coming, the goals are coming. If they are not coming, we are just say, and we'll go on the field and go and score. We are all footballers. We love soccer. We love Black Stars. Black Stars forever. Thank you.
What's the call line for today?
2 is okay for me. But I want to tell the players that even though we have qualified, they shouldn't disappoint us. Today we want to be happy. That's why we are in white. We want the match to be nice. That's all I want to say.
So a number of people, counting almost 200 or 300, currently entering the stadium in preparation for the Black Star match against Comoros. The Black Star match is going to be at 7 p.m. and it's part of the World Cup qualifiers to the 2026 World Cup happening in the USA and in other 2 countries.
My name is David. What's your name?
Shola.
Okay, how many goals would Ghana score?
Like two or one. Because yeah.
Who and who do you think will score them?
Kudus. That is the only person I know. There are you.
And there are you. Hey, there are you is no more playing.
Asamajan.
Hey! All
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Pro. Yeah, so we did live at Accra Sports Stadium. It's Ghana versus Comoros for the World Cup qualifiers. Yeah, so we can't ask people them a prediction. What is your prediction? Before I go around asking people, I want to know your prediction. Drop your prediction in the comment section. So it's Ghana versus Comoros. What's your prediction?
2-0 against Comoros.
Against Comoros. Yes. Who do you think will score the 2?
I think Kudus.
Yes. 2 goals for Kudus.
Yes.
Wow. Kudus to score 2 goals, but Ghana will score. How many goals?
2.
2 goals.
Yeah.
Who do you think will score the goals? Who do you think will score the goals?
Kudus 1.
Kudus 1.
And then
And then who?
I can't predict the next one, but Kudus for sure.
Kudus for sure.
Yeah.
3 goals.
No less than 3 goals. Who do you think will score the goal?
Samuel, Jordan,
Semenyo. Jordan and Semenyo.
Kudus.
Okay.
That's 5 billion zero.
But you vex, you vex, bro.
We mean them,
You mean them,
We mean them, wallahi.
Your prediction?
Fast down the straight. Yeah, fast down the straight. Kwasisibo to score. Kwasisibo. Yeah. Kwasisibo to score goal.
You will be your boy.
Star boy Kudus.
Kudus.
I tell you.
So guys, this is the beautiful moment of Ghanaians in Accra Stadium. This game is between Ghana Black Star and Comoros. You see how happy they are even before the game ends. I am super excited also because I know Ghana has already qualified for the World Cup, which you and I know that some Nigerians are not really happy about it because they are right now not sure if they are going to qualify or not. So we have some Nigerians that came out to, air their pain. Of course, they cannot hide it. So this Nigerian guy came out and say some things. I want you guys to check the video out. Let's get right into it.
So today is another beautiful day to watch Ghanaians in action. They already qualified though. I don't know why they won't play this game. But I sure say the 4-3-2 push formation actually work again today. There you see Kudus, Semenyo, and the old man Ayu in action. But well, I just pray they win. Because if we no win, I will leave it at that. But I will see the game. I'll be watching. Is it 5 or 8 o'clock? I'm not sure what time it is exactly, but we go watch out and we go support our neighbors, our noisy neighbors, our noisy Ghanaian. Let's go for the win.